finish up this white pine today and move on to the next one. Actually, I'm not sure what's up next, to be honest with you. There's nothing on the log deck over there. We'll have to find something to saw next. Either something for the barn or maybe that big walnut, I'm not sure. This is what we're left with. This is where I stopped on Friday, and we sawed all the way down to the pith right here. So we'll flip this thing over and start from the bottom, and I'll probably get about 4 more boards here from the bottom. You know, really wide boards. They're about 17 inches wide. That's pretty good. Then we'll flip it up on its side and see what's left here on the sides right here. This will be some really nice quarter sawn grain right here because it's right here beside the pith. So it'll be some really good lumber. We want to make sure we saw it and get it out of there. But I'm not sure how many boards. Gosh, maybe 4 or 5 maybe, and probably about maybe 5 inches wide, something like that. Definitely worth saving, but just got to make sure we get this pith out of here before we saw them out of it. Probably just put it up on its side and, you know, make a cut right here and put this over to the side, get the pith out, then start our way down, then put the other piece back on. That'll make a lot more sense, guys, if you see me do it here in a minute. So let's get sawing. Pine though, 17 inches wide. So this will make a really nice bar, kinda, or shelf rather, when you first walk into the barn. They have a live edge here on the front, and the back will be square against the wall. We'll probably put some water lots on it to seal it up, but look good in there. Nice 8-foot long 2 by 17 piece of pine to put your keys on or whatever you come in the barn. Not bad. So let's get this off here and stack it for drying, and go ahead and turn up this pith timber on the bottom. See if we can get the pith out of there and get some 1x5s out of it. Based on the AccuSet, I think I'm about 5 inches off the bed. So we should get a decent amount of 1x5s off the side of this. And if I turn it the other way, maybe 1x6s. I don't know what to see. I'll go ahead and cut the pith out first, see which face is the widest, and go from there. I'd rather have 1x6s if we can. So let's see what happens here. The wind is blowing, getting cooler, and the rain's moving in.